without number that I do not have sympathy for that man because he was a bad leader. When we were being shot, what did he say? However, the other side of this story is, as much as we are looking for justice in the country, it must include the people we disagree with. That is why I cannot celebrate. That is why I will not celebrate the attacks on Rigathi Gachagua. Because tomorrow is going to be me. Last year it was the Honorable Raila Odinga who got 11 bullets to his car.
Yes.
It was funny then. But now, no life has been lost. Only a few cars have been damaged. Na ni mtu amepiga, si atumie hizo gari zingine alete ingine tuende nayo maandamano. Hata yeye achore placards to join us on the streets. Kwa nini? If anything, if there is a person who has been betrayed by this government, I say betrayed in quotes, is it not Rigathi Gachagua?
It was.
Kwa nini hata yeye siweke kwa Twitter yake Ruto must go?
Oh, yes.
No, if you are really serious, because we are saying that we want a fresh energy, we want a different system of government, he must start from the front. We cannot expect that we are the ones who will donate our bodies to the streets, then the oligarchs will just sit there and try and balkanize us along tribal lines.
Yeah.
That is with regards to tribalism. If at all nyinyi mtaendelea na siasa ya ukabila, nani ana kwao? Everyone could go and galvanize around their little cocoons, sindio?
Yes.
However, the people who are trying to peddle the narrative that there will be civil war if anything happens to Rigathi Gachagua, we want to tell you that that bus already sailed. Kenyans are sick and tired of giving their bodies for people who do not care for them. Nisikupate hapa ati wewe as a sound man unataka kuenda kukimbia huko kwa sababu kuna mtu ambaye hakujali, that you think their life is in danger. That is one. But also another motion is in terms of governance and leadership. We have to be very pragmatic and truthful as Kenyans in whatever it is that we want. We have to be able to nurture the talent kwa sababu, if I ask you a question and I want you to answer me honestly, are you going to give a Gen Z the presidency in 2027?
Yes.
Asemeni ukweli?
No.
No, let's just hear it so that I'm not talking my own things. Wenye watapatia Gen Z president waseme hai. Wenye wanajua Gen Z hawatakuwa president 2027 waseme ni. Kwa hivyo, the nays, and this is these are the political shapers of the country. Kweli urongo? This is the most functional parliament in this country. Hii ndio ukuta wa bunge la mwananchi haikuvunjwa. Kuna bunge moja pekee Nairobi na ndio hii hapa. That's why we keep on saying that. Now that we know that, we have to be very careful about the people who want to harvest of what the youth did. Because wamekuwa kilala. Kuna mtu amekuwa akisema anatoka Azimio tangu mwaka ianze. Kazi anasema tu ni kutoka na hata polling station yake hakuleta. The other thing which we're saying, they want to just sit down in some places called press conferences. The other people unaona huko mbele, they just want to write grants for donors to bring things alafu tuweke concerts. Kenya itabadilishwa na concerts. Again, I want to warn with regards to that. Someone like Rigathi Gachagua, if he was a decent man, he would start organizing functions of his own. These things of going to boycott, to invade other people's functions, waachane nayo. And this goes to other politicians as well. We will not tolerate that we wait for Kenya. Unajua Kenya tumekaa hivi tumejikusanya, then a politician wants to come and bring vuguvugu here. We will not tolerate it. But in conclusion, we are the ones who are going to decide what is going to happen in 2027. We are the ones who are going to decide whether the country changes or it does not.
Yes.
The future is upon your hands. Wewe uamue. Lakini join a political party. Political change will only be brought about by a political vehicle. Mimi nimeamua nitashikilia youth league ya ODM.
Yes.
At the national level, we'll bring all the youths together. Kama watu mnaona hiyo ODM hamtawezana nayo, you find another party. But by Jove, let us not just sit huku pahali kazi yetu ni kutaka kuandika kwa mtandao. Na nikimaliza nasema kama vijana, I am still the official opposition. Wachana na hii wazee. Mimi ndio nilikimbiza watu hapa kwa maandamano.
Yes.
Najua watakasirika sana kwa mtandao. Na tukienda hivi nione hii serikali haitaki kuleta hivi, ni sisi tu nitarudisha watu hapa kwa hii streets. This is a very stern warning to the government. Put money in youth pockets, wacha kwenda kujenga kanisa, wekea vijana pesa kwa mfuko, patia wamama kazi and healthcare and schooling. Otherwise, I will be the one to bring people back there. Na nitaifanya katika chama gani? ODM.